What's up, guys? On today's video we're going to be installing a PRL intake and a Megan Racing downpipe on this here 2016 turbo Honda Civic. So right now where we're at, we went ahead and disassembled everything, right? So air box is unscrewed, we got the hose here disconnected, and then we're getting ready to take off the inlet to the turbo. Alright, so right now we're trying to get the downpipe off of this here Civic, and it's giving us just a little bit of troubles.
Yep, we're losing everything.
It might be time that I go down from the bottom.
You're going down on her?
I think I want to go down on her.
Oh, that's juicy.
Just out here frying my hand on that here downpipe that's hotter than Satan's. I ain't saying it. Alright guys, so the battery on the camera died, but we already have the PRL Motorsports Cobra intake and the Megan Racing downpipe that is catless in the car. But we actually have another Civic outside of the garage that we're about to do the same exact downpipe on. And we're also over here on this 2018 RT Charger getting new downpipes on it. I don't know where they're at. They're right over here. So we actually need a Sawzall blade to be able to finish cutting off the old downpipe, and then we can put the new ones on. Oh my God. So here we are with the other Civic SI. Right now we are almost done getting the downpipe out. I have the top completely unbolted, and then I have to go under the bottom and go ahead and start on it. So we finally got the Civic done. It's all buttoned back up. You probably can't hear me over the obnoxious Charger over here that just got the downpipes done on it also. But now we're going on to Michael's turbo. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Oh my god. A lot of road battles.
4-cylinder versus a V8.
That sounds cool. They both sound cool.
Hey,
that sounds like power.
rev your motor.
One benefit to driving a BRZ is you can fit it anywhere, as you can see.
Connor, shut up your dumbass voice. I do. Oh my god.
Alright guys, this is where we're going to end today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel. And next video you're going to be seeing the BRZ here getting a new clutch. And the Accord getting the Type R turbo. Boom! So make sure you guys are watching for that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.